boo? Is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I have a date tonight.
Life-changing date tonight. You hear me?
Definitely a quarantine date, honey, because we are still in quarantine, okay? So I thought, why I got all cute for my boo, I might as well show you guys how I did my foundation routine with having complicated skin, honey. My skin is a hot mess, honestly, truly. So if you want to see my foundation routine and also this cool eye seductive look, make sure you guys keep on watching. Real quick, for those that are new and just now seeing me, what is going on, y'all? How you doing? Might as well hit subscribe button so we can chit, we can chat and get to know each other. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell while you at it so you won't miss my upcoming videos. So with that being said, let's jump right into this video. So one thing I have learned to have the best foundation routine, to keep it all the way real with y'all, is making sure my skin, before I lay any type of product on my skin, making sure that is on the bomb. So moving right along, we're going to be priming the skin. So for primer, I'm going to be using the PLouis Skin Tune Blur. I really like using this primer. This primer is a really good primer, and I'm just basically putting it on my complicated areas. I like this because this really gets in your pores, you know, like covering them pores, girl. So the foundation that I have been using and I have been addicted to is the NARS New Caladina. I just love the way this foundation does on my skin. And I only use a pump and a half. As you can see, this is a pump and a half. And then after I'm done that, you know, I just press it right in. I'm so excited that I'm doing date night with my husband, because I don't know about you, but me and my husband, since we got kids, it is really, really hard to like go on dates and stuff like that. You got to get a babysitter. You know, you got to spice it up and do stuff in the house. Like, make sure you have time for your boo, for your man, for your husband. You know, you got to spice it up, okay? All right, moving right along. I'm going to take the Mineral Skin Finish by MAC, and this is in the color Dark Deep. And I do this right after I put my foundation down, just so my foundation won't move. See how I be getting myself together all like this for my man? I need a check. Okay, I gotta drink my coffee, y'all. I'm a coffee girl, okay? So now, since we have that down or whatever, we're going to be jumping right into highlights. So the new tip, y'all, that I've been doing, and I'm trying to tell y'all, I'm so hyped to get this to you, because this really has been working for me. What I've been doing is using the MAC Pro Conceal and Correcting Palette. So I'm gonna just jump into this orange to correct under my eyes and just lay that down. And I don't swipe, I kind of like pat. So the trick that I've been noticing is that for me, because my skin is so oily and is so complicated, that creams has been better for my skin. Also, the reason why I like using a cream contour too is that I like to control the way I blend. I don't like to have to wait for a minute all the time. If I go into it and it's wet, then I have like a little patch, because now the beauty blender or even the brush sometimes might take that part off. Like, I don't got time, you know what I mean? Like, I got things to do, okay? So now I'm gonna just start blending the edges. I'm trying to really think too what I wanna like cook for my husband. Like, I don't really know like what to cook. I know I wanna like get real cute on him.
I'm gonna serve him dinner in this look.
I like doing like really, really, really fun things and getting dressed up. I do like doing that. Role play. Who in the role play? I'm in the role play. I could be whoever you need. We role play. Pulling up in a trench coat with nothing on. Y'all, we can talk, okay? We can talk about it, okay? Spice it up, all right? All right. We're going to be jumping right back into this correcting palette, and I'm going to be taking this brown right here. This is more like my color, and then this is more lighter, like a lighter color. Tap that right over top where I put that correcting at. And I do bring this a little bit down. Bring it around my mouth, making sure you get all in the creases of that nose. Tap right back around. Just layer it. Just like that. So now I'm gonna put my highlight right over top of that. So I'm gonna use my 242 MAC brush, and I'm gonna take the lightest in here. She said, sit down. My youngest daughter is so cute. She calls her sister not by her name. She calls her sister. I think that is so cute. Raising my kids to be loyal to each other. Ain't no going against each other, ever. You feel me? Just blending in the edges now. And then just tapping over, making sure it's even. You know what I mean? You don't want to look uneven, goddamn. Just blending that out. So for powder, this has been one of my faves to use, the Black Opal Ultimate Matte Foundation Powder. And I rub right into it, just like that. And I just lay this on right over top. When I tell you this gives you a velvet finish, I love the way it absorbs right into that cream. Just like that. So for contour, the Fenty Cream Contour in the color chocolate, that has been my go-to. And I'm going to be taking this e.l.f. foundation brush. I like this brush because it's very dense. So I just stamp into this and then I just take that. This is another tip that I've been doing to make sure I don't drag my contour all the way down. I go just like this. Don't go past the bubble. So that's what I've been doing to make sure I don't be extra with my contour, because I don't like contour all the way down to the lip, okay? Like, I don't know. I mean, if you got structure like that, baby, you're the bomb, okay? All right now. And I really like this contour too, because you can like build, like it can be light, but at the same time, you can still build this up, you know? So that's my tip for you boos. This is the MAC Studio Fix Perfecting Powder in the color Dark Deep. So I'm going to be jumping into that as well. And I'm going to be still using my powder puff. And I'm going to go right over that. You know. And now I need to put a powder for that contour, okay? Because any cream, we already know we have to set it. So I'm going to be jumping into the NYX 3-Step Sculpt. And I'm going to be just putting that right over top. And I want to jump into baking really, really quick because I'm about to do my eyes, okay? So we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty in the color Honey. Tapping that right in. Putting that right on my nose. Okay. So for eyes, I'm going to be jumping into the Venus 2 palette, and this is from Lime Crime, okay? So we're going to be playing in this palette today. For lids, I'm going to be priming under my eyebrow. I'm going to be priming my lids with the Rumor 6 base. We're going to jump into that NYX real quick before I start on my eyes, and we're going to contour this nose. I don't like to really contour my nose, but I like to really just show my shape of my nose because I really like the shape of my nose, to be honest. Some people don't, but I do. So for eyeshadow, we're going to be jumping into this brown right here, and it is called Mud. Trying to do like a nice, seductive, high zaddy, I'm here kind of look. I love this Morphe brush because it's very fluffy and it gives you a nice stroke. Pause, because I be stroking. I be stroking to the east. All right, let me finish. Y'all see this girl doing her thing, okay? All right, now since I have that down, I'm going to be jumping into this orange right here. This is in the color Jam, and I'm going to lay that right here in the middle. And I'm just doing a light because I kind of want it just lightly orange in there. Like you see the orange, but you don't. Now I'm going to jump into this M514 brush and I'm going to stamp on that mustard. And I'm going to put this on my edges, blending that in. I'm going to be jumping into this beautiful light blue. I think that is so pretty. And this is in the color Filter. I really like that blue. Ooh, he ain't gonna know what to do tonight, hey. It's like, no. But I want to stamp that like on my lid. Lime Crime, this is pigmented. Yes, Lime Crime, you know I like me some pigment, baby. Ain't nothing like some good pigment on some brown skin. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I don't know about you, but that looks really nice. I'm about to be like, hey baby, what could I do for you? Is it anything that you need, baby? Anything? Seduction. Now we got that down. I'm going to be jumping into this black, and it's called Boot. I love the way it glitters. Do y'all see that? Ain't that cute? Laying that right into my crease just to give it some little dimension, you know. I thought I was going to be sparkling on my corners, but I see, you know, it's just a little glitter, just a little teeny bit. That all you need is a little bit. That's it. Not a lot, baby girl. Just a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to jump right back into that mud. Just go over that real good. I'm going to be doing a wing liner because I really think that this deserves a wing. And for mascara, I'm just going to be using my Great Lash by Maybelline. So now I'm gonna jump on my lashes real quick. All right, guys, I had a struggle with my lashes, so it was a mess. You know how that go. Lashes can be a struggle, okay? We're gonna be jumping right into these eyebrows though, using my STACIEWO Beverly Hills pencil. This is in the color dark brown. Oh my God, I'm running out. I need another pencil. Line it on up. Line that shit up. What's up? All right, so now since I have that down, I'm going to be going into the Danessa Myricks Illuminating Veil, and I'm going to be using this for highlight and just laying that down. She killed this formula right here. Don't nobody see you, I see you, baby. And highlight under my nose, highlight the top of my nose. And I always bring it into a C. And just make sure you blend it in real good. So I'm going to be using a black eyeliner just to be going under my eye, just to darken it up. Only thing about eyeliner, my eye starts to water. I can't stand that. Sick of this shit. And for inner corner, we're going to jump right back into that Lime Crime palette. And I was thinking about this color right here, Fly. I really like that color. Ooh. Yes, I really like that. I'm just gonna jump right into this mud really quick and just lay that at the bottom. You're not gonna really be able to see it, but just to finish that black and blend that black in really good. We're going to be jumping into lip. And for lip, I'm going to be using the Morphe Trendsetter kit. So I'm going to start off with the brown pencil with lining my lips. This is gonna line your lips. Now I'm going to jump into this matte, and this is called Boo. All right, guys, so now I'm going to set all this in, and I'm going to be using the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. This is my first time using this. What it got going on, whatever. Ooh, that smells so good. Really feeling myself. I mean, I don't know about you, but baby, I'm about to be showing up and showing out on this date. So if you really like this look, make sure you guys give this look a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, honey, don't forget to hit that notification bell button because you don't want to miss my upcoming videos. I have a date, so I have to get ready to go. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.